In this video, I will show you how to delete your TapTap send transfer history. So you will see that in the app there is no option to delete it, and instead you will need to do one of two things that will require you to contact their support, which I'll show you how to do. So first open the TapTap send app, from there go to account in the bottom right, and here click support. And then what you want to do is click contact support in the bottom. Now here I'll usually just use their email, but you can also chat with them or call them. Now if you use email, make sure you use the same email address to send your email as the one that you have created your TapTap send account with. So if you click email, you can automatically just gonna send them an email. So what you want to do is just type out something like this, mentioning you want to delete your transfer history or transaction history, and then just gonna submit it. Now if they say they cannot help you with it, which may be the case for some of you, if that happens, then what you're going to do is send a follow-up email where you request them to delete your account, at least if you don't mind creating a new account. So if you delete your account, then along with your account deletion, also your transfer history will be deleted. And deleting your TapTap send account goes the same way. Just send them an email where you request them to delete your account. So that's the only two ways that you can delete your TapTap send transfer history. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.